Hosta Longipes, a shade-loving charmer for your garden. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about Hosta Longipes, a delightful perennial that thrives in shady corners. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate this beautiful foliage plant. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is Hosta Longipes? Hosta Longipes, also known as Iwa jiboshi in its native Japan, is a small to medium-sized shade-loving perennial prized for its bold foliage. Part of the Asparagaceae family, it boasts captivating leaves that range from round to lance-shaped and come in various shades of green, blue, and yellow, often with contrasting white, yellow, or green margins. This attractive plant reaches a mature height of 10 to 16 inches, with a spread of 20 to 40 inches. In late summer, Hosta Longipes produces delicate, funnel-shaped flowers in shades of pale to dark purple, rarely white, held aloft on long, slender stalks, a fitting characteristic reflected in its name. Longipes, translating to long-footed in Latin. How does Hosta Longipes compare to other hostas? There are hundreds of hosta varieties, each with unique features. Here's how Hosta Longipes stacks up against some popular cousins. Size. Compared to giants like Hosta Empress Wu, up to 4 feet tall, Longipes is undeniably compact. It shares a similar stature with Hosta June, 12 to 18 inches, and Hosta Blue Mouse, 12 inches. Foliage. Longipes offers a beautiful contrast of colors and textures. Hosta Francis Williams boasts even bolder variegation with creamy white margins, while Hosta Siboldiana features a more uniformly blue foliage. Sun tolerance. Most hostas prefer shade, and Longipes is no exception. However, Hosta halcyon tolerates some morning sun, while Hosta Golden Prayers thrives in dappled shade. How to care for Hosta Longipes. Planting Hosta Longipes is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Timing. Spring or fall is the ideal time to plant your Hosta. Light. Look for a shady spot in your garden that receives minimal direct sunlight. Soil. Hosta Longipes appreciates moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Amend clay soil with compost or sand for better drainage. Planting. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball and place your Hosta. Ensure the crown sits level with the soil surface. Water thoroughly. Watering. Water regularly, especially during dry spells, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Feeding. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to promote healthy growth. Mulching. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base of your Hosta to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Does Hosta Longipes attract pests? While relatively pest-resistant, Hosta Longipes can be susceptible to slugs and snails, which feast on the leaves. Regularly monitor your plant and handpick these unwelcome visitors, or use organic slug and snail control methods. Is Hosta Longipes deer-resistant? Fortunately, deer generally find Hosta Longipes unpalatable due to a compound called saponin present in the leaves. This makes it a deer-resistant choice for your garden. Can Hosta Longipes be grown indoors? Hosta Longipes prefers the cool temperatures and indirect sunlight of a shady outdoor environment. While container growing is possible, replicating these conditions indoors can be challenging. How do I propagate Hosta Longipes? Division is the simplest way to propagate Hosta Longipes. In early spring or fall, carefully dig up the mature clump and use a sharp knife to divide it into sections, each with a healthy bud and roots. Replant the divisions in separate locations. Conclusion. Hosta Longipes is a low-maintenance, shade-loving perennial that adds a touch of elegance to any garden. With its captivating foliage and delicate flowers, it's sure to become a favorite. So, why not add this little charmer to your shady haven and enjoy its beauty for years to come?